Hello, I'm To from Whitehorse Manningham Libraries. Today I'll be showing you how to make some origami animals. We'll be making a fish, a frog, and also an elephant. If you picked up a school holiday pack, you'll have everything you need for this activity. If you didn't, then you'll need some origami paper or some craft paper that's been cut into a square, and maybe a texter or a pen to draw in some eyes. Now, there's lots and lots of folding in this video, so if it's going too fast, then hit pause if you need to. Okay, let's get started. So we are starting with the fish. Turn your page over to the plain side and fold diagonally. And then do the same to the other side. Now you can fold your sheet in half. Make sure all the folds are nice and sharp. And now fold in the opposite direction. Now we'll be making a triangle shape, so place your finger in the center and fold in, tuck in the folds, and your triangle should emerge. Now with the top flap of your triangle, fold it a little more than halfway across. Nice and sharp, we're making the tail here. And then fold the opposite flap right on top. Almost done. Turn it around. If you grabbed a school holiday pack, then you would have gotten some stickers, so you can pop an eye on or draw one on. That is your fish all done. Now let's start on our frog. So turn your page over to the plain side and fold your sheet in half. Rotate it so that it's a rectangle and fold the top corner down. Unfold it and do the same on the other side. Now flip it over and fold down to the center of the cross. Okay, you can flip it over, and now we're going to create a point. So tuck in the folds that you've created and there should have a triangle. So take the top flap and fold it straight up, and do the same to the other side as well. These will be the front legs. Now take the bottom edge to meet the bottom of the triangle. Take the sides and fold them to the center. And do the other side as well. So you can take that bottom edge to meet the center. The paper's really thick here, so press down hard. So unfold and push out your paper to create a boat shape. Now you can make the back legs, so just fold those edges straight down. Nearly done. So turn your frog around. You can put some eyes on it. And you can press down on the frog's bottom and it will jump. So ta-da, that's your frog all finished. Lucky last, and I think this one's the most challenging. It's the elephant. So start with folding the sheet in half. And then rotate and then fold it in half again. The sun's come through. So unfold it with the folded edge at the top and fold down that corner. Flip it over and do the same to the other side. So unfold it. It now needs to be turned into a little square. So tuck in the folds to create a square. Fold that top flap into the center, and then do the same on the other side as well. And fold down that top point. Unfold it all And we're going to reshape it so it looks like a long diamond. Nice sharp folds. So flip it over and do the same to the other side as well. Okay, so this is what it should look like. There should be a tall point at the front, and then in the middle a shorter point, and then at the back another tall point, and then the legs at the bottom, they should dance. So fold down the back point. Now fold that top flap up to meet the center. And then do the same on the opposite side. So push that out now. And do the same on the other side, and you should have a star shape. Take the point and fold it into the center. Now take the edges and meet in the center. And do the other side as well. Okay, so you can fold those over now. Just fold in half and then flip your page over. That shorter point, you can fold it back to meet the middle. And fold the whole thing in half. So now we have the elephant ears and front legs. Okay, so still the body and the head to go. So with the body, fold down that tail, leave a little gap, tuck it in. We're making back legs here, so they need to be the same length as the front legs. So just fold that tail up. And then tuck it in. Fold the edges to meet the center. It doesn't need to meet the center exactly. Okay, and those are the back legs. So now you can pull out the tail. Nearly finished. So for the head, flatten down the paper to create folds and then tuck it in. Tuck in the edges into the center. Yep, fold that up and then fold the trunk up. To finish the elephant, I like to just give the trunk a little twist. And that is your elephant all done. Pop an eye on there. And there they are. That's all of our animals done. How did you go? Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.